I will typically have some lower stakes quizzes throughout the term. So when it gets to the higher stakes midterm and final, they've got some experience with writing and with getting feedback from the instructional team. So yes, especially, in those early quizzes, we really want to give them feedback. Especially things, for first year students, like they might not be using complete sentences, they might be writing no words, just math, because that's what they learned from high school. And we want some explanation. So really, giving them that feedback that write out those few words to sort of explain what you're doing. It's really helpful when we're reading it. It's helpful for us to know that you're going in a certain direction. So that's really important. And then I try to do that in lecture as well, and particularly before any bigger assessments, to sometimes go over questions from previous years, midterms, things like that, where I can highlight, maybe some subtleties of a particular solution. This is a challenging question. Why did we do this? Okay, now, suppose you made this different assumption from the start, what could, where could you go with it? How would you still get marks if you didn't know where to go? And not that it's all about getting marks, but how can you still sort of display that you know something about this topic, even though you maybe can't solve the question, to a level of 10 out of 10.